What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be putting my strategy out here on YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you how to trade USD pair, which means gbpusd, eurusd, nzd, aud and even sau usd. So my strategy is pretty simple, whereby I look for break of structure, I look for pullback, I look for sweep, and I also look for break of structure, which is I look for my area of interest and I look for my confirmation entry. So currently, as you can see on my chart, how I was able to get this trade, and this trade I'm going to be showing you all right now. So last week I took 3 trades and they all resulted as wins. So as you can see, here is the Fibonacci level. As you can, if you plot your Fibonacci from point A to point B, you will be getting this area here as a 50% retracement. So now you want to always enter your trade from 50% retracement. Now as you can see, price has pulled back to a 50% retracement. After that, when price pull back to your 50% retracement, you want to wait for an entry confirmation. And what are my entry confirmation? My entry confirmation are always a sweep of structure and as well a break of structure. So as you can see, if I zoom out this trade on gbpusd last week, you are going to see that at this point price swept this high. So as you can see, if I show you closely, price push is sweep this high by 0 point something pips. So after I sweep this high, it broke this structure. As you can see, this is a break of structure. Then what am I expecting? I'm then expecting price to pull back to a breaker, to my other block. I can call it other block or a breaker block. So a breaker block which is at this point here. Then I set my I set my sell limit at this point here. Then I wait for price to sell to the downside. It is the same strategy as it is the same way I took this trade as well. So as you can see, when price pull back to my area of interest, as price pull back to my area of interest at this point, this is above 50%. I wait for this small shift, I wait for the break of structure, then I also wait for the pullback. Then as soon as price pullback, it dropped to the downside. So guys, this is this is the strategy I've been using to be growing my little account. Though I used to acquire some losses in the financial market, but overall I when I started trading this strategy, I've been getting more win than my losses. So currently on gbpusd, to be honest with you all, I am looking for a buy trade, so which means I'm looking for a buy continuation. So if you watch my chart, I've been selling. Let me show you some trade I try to take on gbpusd. So as you can see, this trade I took it as well last week on gbpusd. So I waited after this break of structure. As as you can see, after this break of structure, I wait for price to pull back to my area of interest. As you can see, after I pull back, it shift, I buy this price to the upside, same as this region here. So guys, that is what I'm trying to say about this strategy. So currently I am looking for a buy trade on gbpusd, and I'm expecting gbpusd to pull back. Let me draw it for you all. So I'm expecting gbpusd to pull back like this. Give me a nice eye, and either something like this. So as soon as you sweep this region here, I'll be expecting it to break above here, pull back, and then I'll look for a buy to the upside. So guys, this is what you all should watch out for on gbpusd. If you can see anything like this, a break and a break as well, pull back, then you should buy to the upside. Win or loss, there will be always more trade to take in the future. So as you can see, euro usd, I also have euro usd on my chart. So last week as well, I used the same strategy to catch euro usd. As I plot my Fibonacci from here to this region, I was able to capitalize on the same trade, and I ride at least to 1:2. I took my profit around this region. As you can see as well on gbpusd, I was expecting the price to buy from here last week. On euro usd, I mean, sorry, I was expecting the price to buy from here last week, but it did try to buy. Let me show you my entry confirmation. um as you can see, my entry confirmation, price sweep, a break. Now price did try to buy before the news, but as the news came out, it dumped the price. So overall, let's see what the week has for us. But currently I'm expecting the price action to, I'm expecting euro usd to give the same thing as GU. Then I look for buy continuation. So guys, stay tuned. I would be updating you all. Bye for now. Peace out. Make sure you all watch my video, you like, you subscribe, so that it can support me. And soon I'll be creating a Telegram channel where we can chat together and have some knowledge, gain some knowledge for those who are struggling, and so on and so forth. So guys, peace out.